We are in rough conditions here in Finland. It's very hard with the storms and also the snow conditions. With the Safegrid sensors, we get more information about our network. We locate the faults and also we predict the fault in our network. So we can save our costs and do the right maintenance work and right decisions. One very important task to us is to locate the earth faults. And with the Safegrid system, we can locate the earth faults and transfer the information to control room to our operator. At Vakka-Suomen Voima, we are always looking forward for the future. We are investigating new technologies to serve our customer better, and this is definitely one of them. With Safegrid system, we have better network than ever.